There's a joke that one of the things programmers fear most is this: when you finish writing your code, only you and God know what it does. A few days later, only God knows. To avoid this, programmers usually add comments when writing code. A comment is one or more lines of text that the interpreter or compiler completely ignores. It's for humans to read, not for the machine to execute. All a major purpose of comments is to explain the reasoning behind code, helping others, or your future self understand the intention. In Python, comments start with a hash number. Anything after the number is ignored and never executed. But the hash only works for a single line, so for multi-line comments, you need a number at the start of each line. Besides explaining code, comments can also be used to temporarily disable code without deleting it. Just add a number in front. If the code block is long and you don't want to add number manually, PyCharm has shortcuts. Select the entire block and press Ctrl+5 on Windows or CMD+4. On Mac, PyCharm will automatically add number to every selected line. Pressing the shortcut again removes them. Another way to make multi-line comments is to wrap them in triple quotes. You might wonder, didn't we use triple quotes earlier for multi-line strings? Yes, but if you don't print it, assign it, or use it in an expression, it has no effect, so it behaves just like a comment. That's why many people use triple quotes as multi-line comments. Since comments don't affect program execution, some programmers get creative, writing jokes, prayers for bug, free code, or dramatic warnings to future developers. Comments have even caused PR scandals. In 2017, a developer at Xiaomi Music labeled free VIP users as poor VIPs in a code comment. When users discovered it, it caused backlash, and the developer had to apologize, saying they would write proper comments from now on. So yeah, try not to go too wild with your comments. See you in the next video.